Awesome. There we go. All right. We are out here at Ewing again. Like I said before, it's my home course, so I play it very often. But a little headwind. We're on hole 10. I'm going to show you guys 3 holes today. We're going to throw a nuke. Start us off. Let's hope it. So, first throw of the day. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that thing is down there. There we go. Hold out my U-disc yet. I would say I'm probably about 160 feet. We're going to throw a zone. Just kind of get it in there. Kind of have it come left and just hyzer into the basket area. Let's try it out. Oh no, the wind got it. Hit the tree and sit. Oh no. Yikes. Alright, looking at the putt here. I'm probably gonna be honest with you guys. With the wind, I'm gonna probably just try to lay it low, try to get it in under the basket and just get a par on this hole. Yep. Just like that. I'm not gonna go all the way up there. But obviously that's a tap in birdie. Or not birdie, sorry, par. So I'll see you guys at hole 11. Alright, we're at hole 11. OB is everything on the left side. We have a kind of a backwind with Spirit's a little beat up, little Halo Beast. We'll just go from there, see if I can't get it inbounds. Here we go. And that is really low, but I guess we're technically in. All that out anyway. This whole shot number 2, we're gonna throw the beast again. Try to hyzer or Annie flip it back to the middle and that landing pad up there. Oh yeah. Not horribly far by any means, but right where we wanted to put it. Feet, it says. So about right. So, and that's, please roll. Okay. I need to work on my forehands. Those are very inconsistent. So, all right. If I had to make a guess, I'm probably not making this shot. So it's probably gonna be shot 4 and 5 to get it in. Oof, that's why we always have 2 discs with us, just in case. Awesome. Minimize the bleeding on